Just want to do a quick video on working from home, some security things you can do, whether you're an employee or an employer, with the computer that you have at home. There's a few basic things that are pretty simple, but I would make sure you're doing, such as updating the operating system, making sure the software, the programs that you're using are updated. I'd make sure that you're using an antivirus. And it really depends. I'm not going to get into the details of VPNing because each VPN has different, it depends on the security protocol of each VPN, whether it's, I don't know, AES, 128-bit encryption, or whatever the security protocol is for VPNs. It really differs. I don't know what kind of VPN you're using, and that's will be site specific, but just as far as the workstation itself, the computer itself, just make sure everything's upgraded. The operating system, the programs, like I said. If you're an employer and you're sending a PC home with an employee, once again, you want to make sure all these things are done, operating system upgraded, the programs are upgraded, it has antivirus on it. But something else you can do, as long as they already have all the programs on it and there's no reason for them to download or change anything, you can make a limited privileges account with their name on that computer. And what that means is that if they were to click on something like a phishing email, for example, and it's trying to download something, it would pop up and want the password for the administrator. So by making this limited privilege account that they're in, they don't know that password. So they can't even download anything malicious onto it. So that's just a few things that you could do to kind of make it to where that workstation is more secure, or where when you're working from home, it's more secure. Also, I wouldn't let your kids play on it or anything like that. I would make sure that it's specifically used for work, and that will keep it more secure. The less, like, I wouldn't browse on it, I wouldn't do anything on it. I would have it, but if you want to, you could make a limited privileges account in Windows and roll with that. I'm sure Mac has the same kind of feature. I don't know. I'm not real familiar with Macs, but you do something like that, and that would make it more secure. With everything going on right now, and everybody working from home, you don't want to be the person that gets tricked by a phishing email and downloads some malicious software and causes your company to have an issue with data loss or financial statements or ransomware. So there's just a few things to think about in regards to working from home. Just be as cautious as you can, And another thing I saw, it's been in the news a lot. Well, I shouldn't say the news, the cybersecurity news that I follow, is a lot of hackers are using COVID-19 style applications. Oh, here, track the COVID spread, and you click on it, and it's virus and malware and all kinds of stuff like that. Nowadays, though, the more bigger thing I see than actual viruses is like extensions, browser add-ons that'll pop up in the bottom of like Google Chrome and have you go here, go there. I see that a lot more as a funnel to get you to bad stuff and to more, well, you need the Microsoft security package for $700, which is complete crap. All that stuff's a scam. But, the main thing is I just want to do a quick video just on security things you could be doing if you're going to be working from home. Like I said, make sure your Windows PC is up to date or your Mac is up to date. Make sure the software you're using is up to date, because most of those updates are security fixes and protocols to help make the program or the software or the operating system more secure. Like I said, you could have a limited privileges account that you use. That would limit the risk as well. Antivirus, a few things like that. Hopefully that'll help a few people kind of have an idea, of being more secure, work from home. So those else. Thanks.